Hello there and welcome to that new version of YAG, that is version 0.9.3. This is a very small update, and to be honest I wouldn't normally make a full release for such a small modification, but I've got a user that is preparing a rule set with quite a complicated character sheet, and the thing is that I'm going to be on holidays for the next 2 weeks, which means that the next 3 weekends will be off as far as YAG is concerned, and so I wanted to allow that user to continue to work on his rule set while I was away. So that's the reason for that small update. So very quickly, it concerns the management of the graphical part of the character sheet. Before this update, every field was carrying around its own full UI. Sometimes it was okay with simple character sheet, but with quite complicated character sheet like that one, you know, where there is a high density of field somewhere, it could become very messy when you were displaying all the UI together. So it was possible to do whatever you wanted to, but it was not comfortable at all. So with that new system, what I did is I created only one centralized UI for all the fields. So now every field is only and always displaying only its final result on the graphical part of the character sheets, and the UI are now centralized here. So the way it works is you can now, using this checkbox, display or hide a small rectangle that is indeed a tool for selecting and moving and grabbing the field. So for example, I can grab this rectangle here to move the field all around where I want, but this is not all. Now if I click on a rectangle, I'm displaying the properties of the selected field in this UI. So you can see here, for example, that we are only displaying the name with a font size of 16, and if I select this one, for example, then we are displaying a formula and a dice with a font size of 8. Alright, and of course from this UI you can modify the selected field, as you can see. Okay, it will be more apparent. I'm going to show the frames on that field, and you can see that here I'm modifying the field itself. Okay, and we're going to hide that one. That's it. So, and when you're done, of course, you just have to hide all the tools. Oops, I shouldn't frame this one. Okay. Right, so this is not much, but this is very useful when you're preparing complicated character sheets. So that's it. Again, I'm sorry for the not so interesting update. It's a very small one, but I did it out of necessity so that this user can continue his work while I'm away. Alright, I hope you enjoyed the video anyway. Thanks very much for watching. The next update will be probably in 4 or 5 weeks. And in the meantime, have a nice month of May, I guess. Thanks very much, and bye.